Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are your hosts, Elegance on a Budget. If you're not a part of the Elegance family, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making a decorative wine glass, and if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. Today we are using one stem rose that we purchased from Michael's, and we are going to pick the rose apart and we're going to use the petals to place them underneath the wine glass. All materials that we're using today will be listed in the description bar below this video. We're going to place 3 layers of rose petals under the wine glass. We are going to tear a few of the rose petals off of the rose to make a smaller bud for the inside of the wine glass. Now this part is optional. You can stop at 3 layers or you can build it up to be 4 layers. And so thought we were going to stop at 3 layers, but we decided to do a 4th layer of rose petals under the wine glass. We wanted to put the natural look back into the rose, so we did add the leaves onto the wine glass. You don't have to do this part. It is optional. It's totally up to you, but we just thought that it gives it a more natural look to the rose. We are going to give this wine glass a little bling, and we are going to apply the crystal wrap around the stem of the wine glass. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.